Attributing threat intelligence to locations is important. For example, linking an APT group to the country from which they're operating from. The problem is, when intelligence producers talk about countries in their reports, there is no standard framework to represent them. This can make it hard to link reports talking about the same location, requiring some post-processing normalization. For example, one provider might describe the location as North Korea, another as NK, another as DPRK. You get the idea. Referring to a country or region in a standardized way is not a problem that only the CTI world suffers from, and it has already been solved. ISO 3166 is an international standard which defines codes representing names of countries and their subdivisions. It means that if I'm referring to the United Kingdom, or should I say the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, or Grande Bretagne, I can use a standardized 2-digit code, GB, that anyone, including machines, can interpret. A significant amount of threat intelligence is now produced in STIX format. To allow for the attribution of intelligence to a location, the STIX 2.1 specification has a location object. The location object also supports ISO 3166. So it sounds like the obvious choice to represent a country, but the location object is a STIX domain object, an SDO. SDO type objects are descriptive rather than evidential. Evidential data is covered by STIX cyber observable objects, SCOs. To illustrate this, every time I create an identical STIX object to represent France, you can see a different UUID is generated each time. This means that different intelligence producers will create the same countries, but they'll all have different IDs. Thus, the problem of non-standardized objects still occurs. To solve this issue, the team here at DOSEC created location2stix. Location2stix takes all ISO 3166 countries, regions, subregions, and intermediate regions and turns them into STIX objects with fixed IDs. Here's an example of the location2stix object representing France. All location2stix objects are stored in CTI Butler so that anyone can retrieve them when needing to link to them. For example, in CTI Butler, to search for France, and here's the STIX location object for it. Using the STIX ID for France, I can then look up what regions France is found in. And making this graph more human readable, the reverse can also be achieved. Here I am searching for countries belonging to Europe. I will put the links to location2stix and CTI Butler in the description of this video.